Give the Auntie Papa.
Go get it, Romeo. Go get it.
Yeah, take it Auntie Papa.
What's this?
Here. Yeah, give it Auntie Papa.
Bring it here. There.
They collecting outside the door. There's a lot of them. It's like 15 of them.
Okay.
So when we go out, we gotta look up, make sure they not hanging over the top of them.
Okay.
Can't be scared of caterpillars. It's just a caterpillar.
It's a caterpillar.
He's just clinging to the stick now.
You feel danger. Danger.
Let's see if he gonna crawl on my arm. Instead on the stick.
They know they're in an unfamiliar environment.
I don't know, there's a lot of them out here though.
My hair.
There's a lot of them. See, they right here in front of the door. They in the crease of the door. Look. They came right back.
Mesque.